What's up guys, John from TechSpace, and today we are going to do for the first time ever RC crawlers on my obstacles that I created. Now these are the two crawlers. It's going to be the guinea pigs for what I've done here with these obstacles. And as you can see, a very familiar one here is the Traxxas TRX4 Ford Ranger F150 XLT edition. As you can see guys, I installed a front bumper for it, some lights, also some retro wheels, some different tires, smaller tires than the stock ones, and then also you will see I've painted the load bed black as well. Now that has still got its stock suspension, and then I've also got the Yikong Yk4083 Bronco guys. Now this is not a licensed vehicle, but as you can see it's a Bronco. It's a 1/8 scale. It's a big boy. It's got a big 770 motor inside. I've done some upgrades to this one. I've just installed a couple of stickers on it, and then I've got some shackles in the front. I've got different wheels and tires on as well, but the suspension on that vehicle is also still stock. So after you've watched this test, let me know in the comments down below which one of these two crawlers do you think was more successful with the obstacle testing that we're going to do. Thank you Alan Taylor for always supporting the channel, and mate, this one is for you. I know you requested this, you wanted to see this, and this one mate is especially for you, so enjoy it. Thank you for all the support. Alright guys, and that concludes the testing of the two RC crawlers, the Traxxas TRX4 and also the Yikong Yk4083. So which one do you think did the obstacles the best? I personally think, guys, with the stock setup that they are at the moment, the Yikong was easily the more superior truck. Obviously the Traxxas is set up, the suspension is set up quite stiff out of the factory. It does crawl very well, but I must say, even crawling, the Yikong has got so much more body flex. It's such a more capable vehicle. It just grips up so much better. And yeah, it could be because of the size. I just feel that it is a better RC crawler, and it also did the obstacles a lot better than the TRX4. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you like to have fun like me, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.